Welcome back to Driven Daily. Today we're diving into the sophisticated world of German engineering with a closer look at the Audi A4 luxury sedan that perfectly balances performance, tech, and elegance. Whether you're a daily commuter or a performance enthusiast, the A4 continues to set the standard in its segment. Design and exterior. The Audi A4 showcases a refined, athletic design that subtly screams premium. With its sharp LED headlights, bold single-frame grille, and sculpted body lines, the A4 maintains a modern yet timeless look. It's the kind of car that turns heads without trying too hard. Elegance meets understated aggression. Interior and comfort. Step inside, and you're greeted with Audi's signature minimalist interior. High-quality materials, ambient lighting, and intuitive controls create a driver-focused cabin that's as luxurious as it is practical. The A4 offers impressive space in both rows, making it a comfortable ride for both drivers and passengers. Technology and features. Technology is where the Audi A4 truly shines. It comes equipped with Audi's virtual cockpit, a fully digital instrument cluster that's customizable and crystal clear. The MMI infotainment system is fast, responsive, and supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Advanced driver assist features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and traffic sign recognition round out the high-tech package. Performance and handling. Under the hood, the A4 offers a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine with available quattro all-wheel drive. It delivers smooth acceleration and responsive handling, striking a fine balance between comfort and sportiness. The steering is precise, and the suspension does an excellent job of absorbing road imperfections while still offering engaging dynamics. Conclusion. Is the Audi A4 worth it? If you're looking for a premium sedan that combines luxury, tech, and driving excitement, the Audi A4 remains a top contender. It's not just a car, it's an experience. For those who demand more from their daily drive, the A4 delivers in all the right ways. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews right here on Driven Daily.